Alright, picture yourself amidst the hustle and bustle of the trading floor, where every tick of the clock holds the promise of opportunity or the threat of risk. As a trader navigating these turbulent waters, it's easy to get swept up in the excitement of chasing profits and fretting over losses. But let me tell you something crucial. In this game, it's not just about the end result, it's about the journey you take to get there. Let's talk about Jake, a fellow trader who's been around the block a few times. In his early days, Jake was all about the numbers, obsessed with squeezing every last penny of profit out of his trades. But as he gained experience, he came to a profound realization: the real magic happens in the process, not the outcome. Jake learned to appreciate the art of trading as a journey of self-discovery and continuous improvement. Instead of fixating on the end result of each trade, he started focusing on the steps he took to get there. He dug deep into his strategies, fine-tuning them with each passing day. He embraced risk management techniques and honed his emotional control, recognizing that success in trading is as much about mindset as it is about skill. And you know what? Jake's approach paid off big time. By prioritizing the process over the outcome, he found himself making smarter, more calculated decisions. Sure, there were still ups and downs along the way, but Jake weathered them with grace and resilience, knowing that each setback was just another opportunity to learn and grow. So, my friend, the next time you're tempted to obsess over the numbers on your screen, take a moment to remember Jake's story. Embrace the journey of trading with all its twists and turns, knowing that it's not just about where you end up, but how you get there that truly counts. Trust in the process, and the results will follow.